Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable higher frame rate, higher FPS in BlueStack 5 application player. So here, this is the BlueStack 5 Windows 11 version. So you can get this app for free from the official website of BlueStack. And here we go. In order to increase the FPS, you can click three stripe at the top of your screen, then click settings. Here, make sure you have a best CPU in terms of gaming. For example, if you have more than 4 cores and also more than 16 GB memory, and you can set performance mode into higher performance, so you can enjoy by enable higher frame rate. Just click this switch to turn on frame rate. So by default it's 60 FPS, but if you turn this on, so you can set your frame rate up to 240. So but make sure you have a good CPU for gaming and RAM more than 16 GB, and set performance mode into the high performance. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.